Okay, here's a list of foods. Here's how I can display it by going through the list and displaying. So if I click there, you'll see I go through pies, chicken, rice. So I can loop through my list using the I, and going using the in to check for foods. So it's looping through the whole list. I changes every time. First item, butter, then chicken. There is another way to loop through, which using the range method. And this time we're going to get the length of the list, which is foods, and we're going to use that, and we're going to loop through. This, we could put a number there and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we could put a number there, but it's better to put the length of the list just in case you add to the list. So instead of printing out the number, so this will print out the number. If I do I, you'll see it's actually just 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 things, 1, 2, 3. I don't want I actually want the name of the list, plus I'm going to use I as the index. So I, when it's 0, will print out butter. When it becomes 1, it'll print out pies. So if you check it out, it does this. So 0, butter, 1, pies, 2, 3. Okay, so the number that was there before is now the index, so it can print out the items in the list. It's very useful for if we want to check in a list something. So if we want to go, if foods at I position is equal to chicken, then instead of carry on looping, we might want to break and leave the list. So let's check and see what that works. So basically it's going to go through the list. If it gets to chicken, so it's going through via the index. When it gets to chicken though, it's going to stop and it shouldn't print out rice. So let's check it in action. Yep, so it's only doing that. So that's very useful. So anyway, that is basically using the range method with a list.